As the allure of Tuscany continues to captivate, an exquisitely renovated villa has emerged as a prime opportunity for luxury living. Positioned for panoramic views of vineyards and olive groves, this elegant residence seamlessly blends rustic charm with modern comforts, accommodating up to 14 guests. Boasting 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, the villa is equipped with modern comforts like air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and an outdoor oasis. Nestled on a scenic hill, offering easy access to the medieval villages of Cercado, San Gimignano, and Monteriggioni, these charming locales, along with the renowned Chianti region, provides a rich tapestry of history and culture. The ground floor exudes Tuscan charm, with a cozy living room, fully equipped kitchen, and an elevated veranda that offers stunning sunset views. The first floor ensures privacy and comfort, with 4 master bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms and 2 interconnected rooms ideal for families. The interiors are unified by elegant details, such as canopy beds and plush sofas. The exterior, with its tile roof and handcrafted brick and stone facade, complements the surrounding rolling farmland. The renovated residence is perfect for an extended family seeking a tranquil vacation, with amenities just 2.5 miles away. Outside, stepping stones lead through a lush lawn to the resort-like infinity pool, complete with sunbeds and a shaded area. The gazebo, ideal for alfresco dining, sits adjacent to the fully equipped kitchen. The veranda, adorned with sofas and a corner spa, offers a perfect spot for relaxation. Ample parking is available behind an electronic gate. Surrounded by wineries and farms, the area offers a taste of local products and produce. This magnificent property is in pristine, move-in ready condition and could be yours for 2.8 million euros or nearly 3 million USD.